All right, I am making my way over to my smoke show of a wife. She said she found something cool. Let's see, what is that? Tish, cheers! We'll let you guys know what that is in case you don't already. Awesome, good find, babe. Yeah. Yay. Sweet. Sweet.
Slow and loose. I got rust in the roots of my bloodline. Digging up ghosts in the sunshine. Truck door slam, red clay on my boots. Old chimney stand where they tore out the roots. My boys running circles, kicking up that dust. I swing this core like I'm shaking all rust. Metal detecting at the old homestead, chasing little beeps like the words we never said. Pulling up nails and a busted up key, a bent brass buckle and a warped dog tag to read. Every scratchy signal feels like truth.
Nice job, baby girl.
Metal detecting at the roots of you.
Hey guys, another day here. Thank you for tuning in. Me and my smoking hot wife right there. We are going to go swing that old house that we could see right behind here. And behind that, off to the west, there are still a couple of more foundations where there are no houses left. So we're gonna hit both of those. Wish us luck. You feeling it, Tishy?
I'm so feeling it. I can't wait.
Heck yeah, man. Tishy's gonna be swinging the Deus too. I'm gonna be swinging the Manicore with that M9 coil. Let's do this. All right, guys, we have a couple things here, but one of them are high. Both of them are kind of deep. So let me dig a hoe and see what we got. Okay, it's right here. Okay, what is this? A rivet. Is there any lettering on it is the next question. None that I can see. Okay, kind of thick, so I'm guessing it is for tack. Hope we don't find the owner of this. All right, guys, I'm having one of those days where my wife is just kicking the shit out of me here today.
Kicking the shit out of me.
Look what she found, a baby spoon. That's awesome. Is that silver?
Really cute.
How cool is that? I love finding baby spoons, and it's got letters on it. That's even better.
Nice.
We can date it. There's a washer. That might have been one of the things I was pinging, but wait, what is that? Anyway, there's something here too. Surface. I don't know if it's a nickel. That might be a knockout from a electrical box. But what is this thing? That is heavy duty, man. What is that? I thought it was hollow and a washer at first, but it's not. I am at a loss here. I was told that this piece could be a hinge point or a pivot point for an old piece of Victorian era furniture. If you have any idea, please let us know. And please stick around to the end of the video where we pop some 1800s silver. All right, I am making my way over to my smoke show of a wife. She said she found something cool. Let's see, what is that? What? 20. Hold this. That is neat. There's a 20 on there, if you guys can see that. Some sort of foreign coin, right? How cool, Tish. Cheers. We'll let you guys know what that is in case you don't already. Awesome. Good find, babe. Yeah. Yay.
Sweet.
Sweet. All right, guys, we have a 60. It was like a penny, but it changed to 64, 65. Anyway, it's still showing round, a couple inches deep. What is that? What is that? Oh, sweet. Pocket watch with a gear. Come on, be some letters on there. All right. We have a high 50s, low 60s, showing kind of long, elongated. Oh, seems like we have it on the edge of our hole now. That's promising. Okay, here it is. What on earth is that? It is cool, whatever it is. Wow, very decorative. Look at that thing. What is that? That is neat. All right, guys. Getting like a 80, high 80s right in here. Doesn't say it's too deep, 3 inches or so. Okay, right in the middle here. Okay, I think I found it. This, okay, this looks like a grandfather Clockworks backplate. Yay, I'll take it. I wonder if the rest of the stuff is in here anywhere. Cool.
What fun was that, Tom?
So fun. All right, guys, my wife just found that little baby spoon right there, and I'm going around this tree, and I thought I had some silver or something, but I see what it is. There are some Clockworks right here, buried in the dirt. Or a piece of clockwork.
That's cool.
Super cool. That's a big one too. That's like to an old grandfather clock. I found a back plate to one just on the side of the house over there. Okay, we have a 70. There's an 80. 76. It's a bunch of iron. Okay. Something there, a couple inches deep. Okay. $60. It's pretty trashy. 69, 72. Okay. I think there's something in every bit of this coil, or of this plug. Okay, come on. Oops, where'd that go? Oh, damn it. Nail. All right. Oh, maybe that's my shovel. This stupid thing out of the way. Here's a, oh, a coin. Tish! A Barber!
No way.
Yes! What the f date is that? Excuse my language, guys. Yeah. I hope I'm filming. Yeah, I'm filming.
Yeah, Tom!
1880, 1899? So a later Barber, but I'll take it. It's hammered, but shit.
Yeah.
Man, that thing was ringing up like a penny.
That is awesome.
78? 76. This Barber dime was actually minted in the first half of the coin's existence, back when America was still rough around the edges. Struck in the late 1800s, it circulated through a country powered by hand, labor, horses, grit, and trains. It wasn't pocket change, it was real money, earned the hard way. And somehow, after more than a century, it waited right here to be found again. Here are the rest of the treasures we were able to dig up today. If you enjoy real history coming out of the ground, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what we find next week. Thank you for tuning in.
I scrape back time with a $5 spade, find a silver dime from the year Granddad was made. Metal detecting at the old homestead, chasing little beeps like the words we never said, pulling up nails and a busted up key, a bent brass buckle and a walk dog tag to read every scratchy signal.